Hello everybody. Welcome to No1doctor channel. Today we will talk about one of the famous doctors, Ernest Henry Starling, 1866 to 1927. Starling's law of the heart, description of capillary forces, discovery of the first hormone secretin. Ernest Starling was born in London in 1866, the son of a lawyer and one of 7 children. At the age of 16, he entered Guy's Hospital as a medical student, qualified in 1888, and proceeded to MD in 1890. The following year he married the widow of a physiologist who had died young, and for many years she acted as Starling's secretary. Starling's sister married the physiologist William Bayliss, who worked as Starling's collaborator throughout their lives. In 1889 Starling was appointed Professor of Physiology at University College, London, where Bayliss acted as his assistant. In the same year, Starling was elected an FRS. Starling was a master of experimental physiology, developing numerous standard methods of experimental physiological techniques, which included the heart-lung preparation. Starling's early work was concerned with his capillary theory of fluid exchange in the tissues, the balance between the fluid pressure in the capillaries and the osmotic pressure in the surrounding tissue fluid. With Bayliss, he devised the heart-lung preparation and developed his law of the heart. Then the output of the heart depends on the stretch of the ventricular muscles and diastole. With Bayliss, he described the first hormone, a term that Starling introduced, derived from the Greek meaning to excite or stimulate. This was secretin, derived from the duodenum and upper jejunum, and stimulating pancreatic juice secretion. During the First World War, Starling served in Salonika as a colonel with the Royal Army Medical Corps. He retired from MUCH in 1923, but continued to work as research professor at the Royal Society on the Physiology of the Kidney until his death, aged 61, in 1927. Truly a remarkable and original investigator. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again in more next videos. With my best wishes. Dr. 8 Famid.